Passive voice in simple past tense. Becoming a master. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to dive into a crucial topic for your English grammar understanding: the passive voice in the simple past tense. If you've struggled with this before or if it's a brand new concept, don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step, with plenty of examples and practice. In English, we use the passive voice to shift the focus from who did the action to what was done. In other words, the subject of the sentence is acted upon rather than carrying out the action. This is particularly useful when the doer of the action is unknown or unimportant. Let's consider a basic sentence in the active voice in the simple past tense. John baked the cake. Here, John is the one who performed the action, baking, and the cake is the object of the sentence. Now, if we convert this sentence into the passive voice, it becomes: the cake was baked by John. In this sentence, the cake, which was the object in the active voice, has now become the subject of the sentence. To construct a sentence in passive voice in simple past tense, we follow this formula. Subject plus was, were plus past participle form of verb plus, by agent. Remember, was, is used with singular subjects and were, with plural subjects. Let's try more examples. Active: she cleaned the room. Passive: the room was cleaned by her. Active: they ate the pizza. Passive: the pizza was eaten by them. Remember, the by agent part can be dropped if the doer of the action is not important or unknown. For example, the pizza was eaten. Now, let's try some practice together. Try to convert these sentences from active to passive. 1. Mike repaired the car. 2. Jenny and Mark wrote the report. 3. The students returned the books. Here are the solutions. 1. The car was repaired by Mike. 2. The report was written by Jenny and Mark. 3. The books were returned by the students. Remember, practice is key, so keep trying out more sentences on your own. That wraps up our session on the passive voice in the simple past tense. We hope this has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. Don't forget, it's all about practice, so keep working with more sentences until it feels natural. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.